My name's Ryan Plaskett and I'm one of the owners. So we're a group of companies, Hamilton Plant Tire, DMX Rock and Soil Recycling. We do a host of different stuff, from demolitions to civils to bulk earthworks to anything you can think of that relates to moving earth and crushing and screening. The project is bulk earthworks and civils for new housing. It's about a 50,000 cube bulk earthworks with roads that need to be constructed on the top of a farm up in the Constantia hills. We've been very impressed. Obviously the fuel consumptions are good. If you look at the back, you'll see the ramps and stuff that we're working on are steep, so they haven't had an issue getting up and down, loaded full. Hauls are short, but the ADTs are killing it. Yeah, so I mean, we must have between 30 and 40 Volvos in our fleet. A lot of loaders, a lot of excavators, dumpers now. So yeah, we've always liked the machines, liked the quality of the machines. Our mechanics are used to working on them, so it's definitely helped our business grow. Our applications are generally hard. We do a lot of work with hydraulic hammers on the machines, which we we don't have issues with our excavators with. We use them with munches, rotating lines, all sorts of stuff, and we've enjoyed the platform to create what we've created now. And yeah, they do what we need them to do. Babcock's a class leader on the loaders and ADTs, and yeah, we've been very happy. Excavators as well, we've been very happy with them.